Well, I'm not sure it in the boss. Me, I watch it first.
I recently posted an article about the COVID vaccine in Jamaica, and it generated some interesting comments. There's actually a link in the description below. And so, inspired by those comments, I decided to come into the street to hear live from persons how they feel about the COVID vaccine. I asked them one question: will you take the vaccine? I got some very interesting responses. I'm going to share those with you right now. Remember though, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification. That way, you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Will you take the vaccine?
I'm not sure.
Why not?
You know, I would have to see what, like when other people take it,
Yes.
the reaction or the outcome before I would do it. I'm not certain.
Why not?
Because they have some allergy problems, so I have to wait and see what's going on first.
Okay.
Not right now.
Alright, thanks. My friend, will you take the vaccine?
I'm not sure.
Why not?
Not sure. I'm not sure.
What would make up your mind? What would help you to make up your mind?
If we take the vaccine, it's like a guarantee that we won't catch the COVID, so what is it for?
Oh, so you need more information.
Yes. More
Sure.
research, more details.
Will you take the COVID-19 vaccine? Why not?
Trust the Almighty.
No.
You're not. And why not?
Normally a vaccine takes a few years to develop. This one is pretty fast. I'm not sure of how effective it will be, as well as the side effects. I'm concerned mostly about the side effects than what it will do to me.
I have to take yes.
Why?
No, no, I'm not sure.
Well, I will take the vaccine, but not yet, because I really want to see how it reacts to different persons in Jamaica first, and that will determine whether or not I take it. I don't believe a vaccine can take a year to be developed, and from that standpoint, I am, I'm a little bit scared. But if it all happens that there's not a lot of side effects, then definitely, of course, I would take the vaccine.
Well, I'm willing to take it, but not just yet.
Why not?
We don't want the first half. We don't want the guinea pig first half.
Sir, will you take the vaccine?
Depending on the results of other persons who have taken it. I saw a video where this guy was checking the CDC website and a bunch of person died like 2 days after taking the Pfizer. But it's not like a comprehensive thing will show if you had underlying illnesses. It's mostly all the folks. But still, death is death, and it's not coincidence that a person would have died from 2 days after so many persons. So after there's much more clarity, I would probably take it.
Great, thank you.
No.
Why not?
It's not a part of my plan for anything.
Alright.
So no.
Alright.
For religious reasons, no.
No, I will not, because
Why not?
I believe there's some side effect. So I don't know what the side effect is. Don't know what it will do to me after taking it, so no, I won't.
Well, I'm not sure it in the boss. Me, I watch it first. Come here, people say that give them clad blood. Woman like me when I age, I take it seriously.
Yeah.
So them make them pass some big clad, because I'm clad them blood, so I don't know.
Alright.
So me have to watch it first. Me
Okay.
not say me not take it,
Yeah.
and me not say me go take it.
Yeah.
But me I watch it first to see it turn out first.
Why not? If they can find vaccine for anything else, why they can't find it for COVID? So no problem taking it, so long we can do something. No problem.
Not right now. Not right now.
Alright. What would cause you to take it?
Well, it's a little, I mean, because so
The frontline workers, so we have to take it. I
Alright.
don't know. I'm scared. Trust me.
Okay. Why are you scared?
I hear all kind of things. People saying this, people saying that. No.
To be honest, I have to see the Christopher Tufton or the Prime Minister take it first, just to ensure that you know,
It's alright, thank you.
you know?
Thank you. Why not?
Because it's a vaccine, you just come and we don't really know much about it. So, no.
Right now, my man is wavering. He's wavering bad.
Why?
First to comment, we don't know what's in that vaccine. Yeah? And I only heard that is some microchip system that's going around. So, honestly, I'm so scared.
Will you take the COVID-19 vaccine?
No.
Why not? Huh? I'll take it. Alright, thank you.
Well, I don't think so.
Why not?
Because let's talk about it now. How can you give a person an injection and you don't know the medical history
Of the person?
of the person?
Okay.
You know, that is one of the things that I look at, because everybody is different.
Okay.
You know, so
No.
I'm not so sure about it.
Take it without, go to the, we don't really go to the doctor and check up if there are any other more complaint, before we really take it.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay. Will you take the COVID vaccine?
No,
No, why not?
I don't have any symptom.
Oh, you mean no underlying issues?
Right, no underlying.
But you don't think it will affect everybody, whether or not you have an underlying issue?
Well, I don't know now, because according to the Bible,
Yeah.
the Bible says 1/3 of the nation they go wipe out. So,
You prepared to go?
well, yes.
Okay. All right.
But one day we have to go.
Very interesting. Two things. One, what do you make of those comments and feedback? And two, what's your position on the vaccination program? I'd love to hear from you. Just drop a comment down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos about Jamaica, and I don't want you to miss any of them. So hit the subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way you'll be updated on all my latest videos. This is indeed Real Jamaica.